Hello engineers and welcome to Civil Nirman. Many engineers have requested me to provide one solution regarding the load combination generator so that how they can quickly develop multiple combinations within a short time. So we have one powerful macro that generates the load combination in seconds for your STAAD editor. Simply you just need to input your load titles like dead load, live load, equipment load, operating load, empty load, whatever the category of the load that you have. You need to enter the load factors, right? Let me just give you an example. We have this load combination 500 with the one dead load, one live load and one equipment empty condition, right? And it has each factor 111. So I'll simply enter in each load category the value of that factor. Now similarly for each different category you can enter the combinations values over here. Once you finish this, if you just need to click on the run sheet. For example, here for the foundation stability I have entered few combination with the values in each respective categories. Now I'll just simply have to click on run sheet and it will generate your load combinations in few seconds. So for your reference understanding, we have developed these three different sheets for the stability check, for steel and RCC structures, where all the combination with reference are given. Now based on your requirement you can modify this particular combination titles and factor and develop according to your requirements. You can find this particular sheet in our download store section. Once you click on the download store section, it is available for all three categories. You just need to click on particular segment. If you haven't signed up over here, you can register yourself. You will receive one OTP that will be your password for the registration over here. You just simply need to add to cart this particular in your cart. Once you add this particular to your cart, proceed with the payment part over here, and once you check out you will receive this particular Excel sheet in your mail once you proceed with your payment and once it's confirmed. See, as a valued subscriber we are offering this game-changing tool to you at the minimal cost. Your support helps us to keep our website and channel running, providing you with the high quality content and resources. Show your support and download the macro from our store now. Thank you for being part of our community. Keep learning, keep sharing.